Hey everyone! So, in this video, I'll show you how to recover a Gmail account if you're locked out. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, it works whether you forgot your password or lost access to your phone. First, open your browser and go to Google's account recovery page. From here, enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover. Google will now ask a few questions to confirm it's really you. Answer them as accurately as possible. Even small details can help. If you remember your last password, enter it here. If not, just choose the option that says "Try another way." Google may send a verification code to your recovery phone number or recovery email. Enter the code when you receive it to continue. If you don't have access to those, Google might ask additional questions, things like when you created the account or devices you've used before. Yeah, just answer honestly. After submitting everything, Google will review your request. This can take a few hours or sometimes up to a few days. If Google confirms your identity, you'll get a link to reset your password. Create a new, strong password to finish recovering your account. After recovery, update your recovery phone and email right away. Also, turn on two-step verification to avoid this problem in the future. And yeah, that's how to recover a Gmail account in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.